Welcome to Deck Builders Las Vegas, your trusted source for real talk about outdoor living and construction in Southern Nevada. Today we're talking about waterproof deck systems, what they are, when they matter, and why they can be a smart long-term decision, even in our dry, sunny desert. Here's the first thing most homeowners think. It doesn't rain much here, so why waterproof? The reality is that while Las Vegas gets fewer rainy days, we get some of the most sudden, heavy downpours in the country. And when that happens, decks designed without proper sealing can absorb or trap that water in seams, corners, or underneath the boards. Then the next day, temperatures spike again. The water evaporates fast, wood contracts, and over time that constant expansion and contraction weakens connections and fasteners. Even small leaks can cause soft spots or rot in the underlying frame. Waterproof deck systems stop that cycle before it starts. Materials like Duradek use a vinyl membrane that completely seals the deck surface, keeping water from ever reaching the substructure. It's a clean, professional look that doubles as a durable walking surface, slip-resistant and built to last. This isn't just about preventing puddles, it's also about creating usable space beneath your deck. With waterproof protection in place, you can safely add storage, furniture, lighting, or even an outdoor bar under an elevated deck without worrying about drips or damage. For homes with second-level decks, waterproofing turns that bare area below into a functional shaded retreat. It can even protect electrical work, minimizing future maintenance costs. Now, not every deck needs a full waterproof system. If your deck sits at ground level on open soil, water drains naturally. But if it's elevated or attached to a home, waterproofing is one of those build-it-right-once upgrades that pays off big over time. At Tuff Deck Builders Las Vegas, we install waterproof systems engineered for long-term protection. You can reach our team at 702-766-9561 or visit tuffdeckbuilderslasvegas.com to see how these systems fit your next project. Las Vegas weather can fool you. 9 months of dry sun, then sudden monsoon storms. A waterproof system ensures your deck doesn't just look good, but stays strong, safe, and sealed for the long haul. Because when the weather surprises you, your deck shouldn't.